Hi guys, and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We're on a walk today, 9.5 kilometres, Long Melford. We're going to pass Melford Hall, Kentwell Hall. Just stretching the legs, part of my recovery with my knee injury. So join us.
So we spent about 15 minutes walking around like idiots, not finding where we're meant to go. Not obvious in the book. Clearly you need a map as well, which we've learned our lesson, put it that way.
We had to go and ask for directions at Kentwell Hall. But we found the path, so we can crack on.
It's not massively obvious.
That way.
There are the signs. Tiny. Kind of want them to like, I don't know, some sort of big obvious sign would be more useful.
Like an actual post with signs on it.
Yeah, way markers are great, but they're tiny and you can't see them from like 2 miles away, so yeah.
Well, cracking on.
apparently there's a distinctive bucolic feel for the next 1.5 km, meandering along the course of Chad Brook on a stretch which, to start, is pleasantly shady in summer and stirringly atmospheric in the chill mists of a winter's day. Although it's summer and the weather's shit, so.
But it's just over there.
It's not pleasantly shady. It's
just on the other side of that hedge.
Oh, the Chad?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's down there.
So we're going to follow Chad.
Until we reach a bridge and then we'll cross. And then Chad will be on the left.
Then we'll change sides with Chad.
Chad!
So this is where we kiss the chub goodbye.
Chad.
Chad? Chub?
Did you say chub?
Chubby Chad. So this is where we kiss the Chad goodbye. Following our path, turning east away from the river. That is dryad saddle. Yes, that's the edible mushroom.
Oh, it's edible?
Yeah.
Obviously somewhere big, so you can put it there. Where's the entrance?
Down that side. Sorry. Oh, it's still got the spigot inside it.